Ona thengia wa ministry no gukorwo ihokeirwo gutungatira muingi na njira ya gutamburukia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri, ungumania uroneka guthie na mbere na kumigumira. Kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC yonanitie ministry no inyitiriire namba 2 guoka ni ungumania guku nakuo ruhonge rwa borithi rukinyitirira namba 1.
And of course, NHIF followed very closely, and health department in county government. So you can see, and this has been a consistent finding, I think, ever since we started carrying out these surveys.
Kamiti ya EACC ihithuritie uheani wa kandarathi na njira ya muthutukanio ministry-ini no inyitiriire gicunje kia 41.7 harĩ 100, uheani wa mahaki ukanyitirira gicunje gia 16 harĩ 100, gwitikirio gwa tabarira itakinyaniirie ikiro gukinyitirira gicunje kia 64.1 harĩ 100, kuria ningi marihi ma tabarira itakinyaniirie ikiro ukirugamira gicunje kia 32.2 harĩ 100.
When it comes to tender evaluation, you can see even at the tender award stage, favoritism is consistently leading. So it's important to find out what are the loopholes, what are the challenges.
Riboti ino ningi yonanitie waki wa tabarira cia thibitari itiganite ndwarekereirie, kwa muhiano thibitari wa Turu Mugunga kaunti-ini ya Migori ukihithuka ati ona gutuika mwene kandarathi onanitie ni arikirie wira, waki wa cioro ndwakorirwo ukirikirira.
Findings of these recommendations are to inform policy and administrative interventions that you could take to ensure that the health sector is truly healthy.
Kamiti no ona gukiri uguo yendekithitie ene kandarathi kwambaga guthuthurio ukinyaniru wa wira wao mbere ya kuhitukio uheani wa kandarathi utabanagio na njira ya waragania o undu umwe na guthurimwo kwa ukinyaniru wa tabarira thutha wa kurikirira.
Allocation of resources, where it was noted that there was a bit of financial constraints that may have contributed to, for example, delays or quality of works, it is expected that the ministry can take this up together with the stakeholders in the sector.
Hamwe noguo minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Kumicha nieraniire kugacirithio makiria kwa ruhonge ruru na njira ya kuongererwo kwa dawa iria ibataranagia makiria thibitari-ini cia muingi, kwambatirio gwa ikiro ciegimaine na wigi wa ndumiriri thibitari-ini o undu umwe na honge-ini itiganite ministry-ini no.
There is no reason why up to now in Kenya we still get paracetamol from India. It doesn't make sense.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguno.